Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of the series and I'm in Germany. In this video, we're exploring the Black Forest of Germany and also we're gonna taste an authentic Black Forest cake at the end of this video. And the first stop in this trip is the Ravenna Bridge and Viaduct in the Black Forest. The viaduct is honestly beautiful. This is a huge stone bridge tucked right inside the Black Forest. This viaduct is quite similar to the one in Scotland, but nevertheless, it is something beautiful to look at. This place is also known for clock and glass making, and they have workshops for both, which we are attending next. Germany is famous for its hand-carved cuckoo clocks, especially here in the Black Forest. The wooden craftsmanship is insane. Everything from little figurines to those traditional Christmas toys. And the guide also gave us an explanation of how it's made and the entire process that goes behind it. Watching them put together a clock piece by piece was so satisfying. Every tiny part is carved, painted, and assembled by hand. And then the glass making section. These artisans are actually melting, shaping, and blowing glass right in front of you. It's wild seeing how something that starts as melted sand turns into bowls, ornaments, and all these delicate pieces. The final product looks so clean and perfect. That was a really fun experience watching the clock and the glass making. So on to the next stop of the tour. Next stop, one of the biggest cuckoo clock displays in Black Forest. And instead of a little bird, you get a full-on dancing figurine when the hour hits. Such a fun twist. Additionally, we're also exploring the Lake Titisee in Germany, which is the next stop on our trip. For our next stop on the tour, we're at the Lake Titisee. Lake Titisee is one of the main highlights of the Black Forest. It's a classic holiday spot surrounded by shops, cafes, and old school craft stories. The lake itself is stunning. Clear water, mountain views, and most relaxing atmosphere. In the summer, this place gets super lively with boat rides, paddle boats, and swimmers everywhere. But in the colder weather, it has that calm postcard perfect vibe. You can walk around the lakeside for some really nice views, grab snacks from the little stalls, and just enjoy that fresh mountain air. It's one of those spots that works in every season. The next stop on our tour is Blasien, small town in the south of Black Forest. Blasien is actually known as the birthplace of the famous Black Forest cake. And that's where we're getting it from. Hotel St. Tom is kind of iconic for their Black Forest cake, and I finally got to try it with a Black Forest coffee on the side. The cake in Germany hits completely different. The cream has that light boozy taste that you never get in India or the UK. The Black Forest coffee was also a unique experience that I would definitely recommend. And then I made my way to the cathedral here in St. Blasien, which is known for its breathtaking architecture and history. Inside the cathedral, they had the Gaia exhibition, a giant illuminated model of the Earth that slowly rotates. It's meant to show what our planet looks like from space, and seeing it float inside this massively white cathedral was genuinely breathtaking. The architecture and the artwork together make the whole place feel surreal. That's it from Germany. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel for more such travel videos. Cheers guys.